So here we are, gonna do a quick run of the top. Sophie, if you want to run the top, that would be great so we can see how that works. Like I said, top's in really good condition. One thing we don't have is we don't have a boot with it. And there is a tear in the rubber on this side. So this rubber piece could or should be replaced. It's fine, but... So top up or top down? What's the consensus?
Top down.
Top down? Want to go ahead and run it back up? Hey, would you mind taking me for a quick test drive?
Absolutely. Come on in.
Okay, let's do it. I'd say super comfortable for 4 individuals. Maybe little kids. Apparently we have to be careful with the music. Probably not. Probably not going to use the nav. 2001, the navigation probably was not the most, what would you call that?
Accurate?
Accurate, or... So if you really want nav, you're probably going to want to use your phone. It is there. It is available. The woodwork in here is really cool. A lot of times I've seen these before, a lot of the XK8s, a few of the XKRs, and these tend to get gummed up or chipped up, and this one's in actually really, really good condition. It's never smoked in, which is kind of nice. This has got your cup holder here. I wouldn't say that the middle component here is the most user-friendly, but there are all the manuals and the books. We do have a few service records. The air conditioning blows cold. All the buttons, that's what I always look for. I always look at the wear on the buttons, the handles. This is how you unlock the doors and you lock the doors. Do you know that?
No, I didn't.
It's kind of interesting, huh? That's locked. That's unlocked. Locked. This has a microphone, so it has some aftermarket phone thing that somebody that's a little more technical can figure out. It does have some features up here, but buttons and the vents, all the vents work. Steering wheel, the woodwork in the steering wheel. Cruise control. noticed a few people in cars checking us out. They're either checking you out or
I think they're checking the car out.
okay. What a beautiful night. For another 30 minutes. There's a flaw up here in the leather that's been nicked. I like how it sounds. It's got a nice deep sound, but not like the Cadillacs that we've had that are.
Oh. My citation.
Oh, the citation. The sound system in here is amazing. It has heated seats, which you probably don't want that on.
No, not right now.
Okay, we'll turn that off. It's got fog lights, traction off. Get over the buttons. Fun?
Very fun.
Put the phone up in the wheel. No rattle. Quiet, supercharged V8. I saw a raindrop.
Yep, a few raindrops here.
It's gonna be time to head back to the shop. One more drive. Clouds and wind rolling in, so we're going to make this test drive a little short because this XKR we don't believe has been in the rain much. Not in the last 10 years probably. Time to put stop up?
Yeah.
Okay. Your blinker's on. You're welcome. Go ahead, run the top. And then you have to pull it down when it gets right to the edge, right there. There you go. And the windows should keep holding the button.
Yep.
Perfect. I need a ride. Can I Uber?
Come on in.
Oh, it's starting to...
$20 a ride.
20? That's nice. That's a nice car for $20.
Yeah?
I'm down for that. I guess we need to get back. I see some sprinkles.
Yeah.
It is Naples, Florida. Afternoon.
Afternoon showers.
I just love the locks.
Mm-hmm. I've never seen this before.
Right? Crazy. Well, I guess this one we can't say has never been driven in the rain. But we've never been able to feature white windshield wipers. We have featured horns. That's a horn.
Yeah.
That horn in that other
last
car,
one, yeah.
that wasn't a horn. It was a beep. Okay, we're heading back to the shop. We promise you it's not going to get very wet. The road's not wet yet. We don't want to get your car wet. I'm sure it's been in the rain in 22 years.
Wow, it's a really beautiful car for 22 years.
It's cold. I'm gonna say it one more time. I can't get over the condition of all the buttons, the woodwork. Usually there's wear spots on these. There's wear spots all over the place. This there's none.
There's a few wet spot.
Oh, it is a little wet up there.
Take care of that.
And you get the handy dandy neighborhood sticker to get in the neighborhood gate. Comes with the car. So I'd say it got wet, but really not too wet. What's your favorite part?
The convertible top.
Oh.
I really like the woodwork everywhere.
Yeah. And a lot of times this has a, I think it's like a laminate, and there will be hairline cracks
Yeah, no, it's
underneath.
really, really good
Down here,
condition.
these are usually an issue. You see wear on some of the buttons. The stereo button, the power, the stereo buttons over here. Okay, everybody. 2001 Jaguar XKR can be yours if you're the high bidder on Bring a Trailer. And if you have any more questions about the car, just do a private message and Sophie can tell you all about it. Engine, transmission,
That's right.
tires, wheels, brakes. All right, everybody, see you later.